Welcome back to Great Day Washington. 5 teams from around the country will be in D.C. this week competing in the Source America Design Challenge.
That's right, and 2 of those finalist teams are from Poolesville High School in Montgomery County. We welcome Carissa. Man, Garcia. She's the Design Challenge Manager from Source America. Along with me, got the 2 teams. We're going to meet the team members, but first, what is this all about?
Well, Source America is a nonprofit, and we try to affect employment opportunities for people with disabilities.
Okay.
And that is either through gaining opportunities or supporting opportunities that we have. And the Source America Design Challenge uses our local community members and high school teams like these, and they go out into their community, partner with somebody who has a disability, and build a piece of assistive technology to affect their employment.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I love that. Okay, so to my right, we have Team A&M, and this is Madeline Brody. Madeline, could you introduce us to your teammates, please?
Yes, so these are my teammates, Matthew Mignani and Anjali Murthy. And so for our project, we created a hands-free device to allow our SME, our subject matter expert, Stephen, to create recipes independently and with confidence.
Okay.
And this device not only shows him the recipes, but it's also hands-free. That way in the kitchen, he's not touching the iPad and causing unsanitary things to happen. So instead, he's just holding up the spatula and it'll move on to the next step. So
Whoa, wait, what?
He
just holds it up?
Yeah.
And then the program on the iPad tells him what to do next?
Yeah.
I think we all need that at home, right?
Exactly. It's like, gosh.
How do you come up with something like that?
Brilliant, yeah, no, absolutely brilliant technology. How did this stretch, I mean, your capabilities of what you, I mean, how did you come up with it, right? I mean,
so we have all had like some backgrounds in coding and everything, but we had never done this before. So with this, we kind of had the idea, all they told us is that they want something they can have that way Stephen can complete the recipes all by himself. And so we decided, how about an app and implement camera detection, that way he doesn't have to touch it at all.
See, this is why you study coding right here, guys.
Yeah,
exactly. They're impacting others' lives.
That is incredible. Okay, so we have Team SIC, right? We have Sadna Lola. Can you introduce us to your teammates, please?
Yeah, so this is Christian Kim and this is Isaac Wang. And so for our project, we worked with a small coffee roasting company based in Westminster, Maryland. It's called Furnace Hills Coffee. So the person we worked with, her name is Erin. She has Down syndrome. So she has trouble weighing out 1-pound bags of coffee beans, which is what most coffee shops sell. So we developed a device that allows her to just fill up this container with coffee beans, and it automatically pours out 1 pound for her.
Nice. You want to show us how it works?
Okay. So Erin will pour in the beans from the top, and she places the bag right here.
So it doesn't matter how much, it'll weigh out the one. Awesome. Look at that thing go. So it makes her job simple. She doesn't have to stress out about making sure the poundage is right.
Yeah.
So what made you come up with this idea?
So we noticed that Erin had trouble reading like the scale that she used before, and then that she had trouble taking out and putting in small amounts of coffee beans. So we wanted to develop something that eliminated the need for her to do those things, and it would be really easy for her. It would have a visual cue that she just had to fill it up to the top. And so that's how we developed the coffee cube.
That's incredible.
Andy, I don't know about you. I'm not feeling so smart over here anymore. These kids are amazing.
It's like, holy, so what's next for you? I mean, you guys are still so young. So what's next? College, obviously.
Yeah, so we will be competing in the finals for the Source America Design Challenge for the next 3 days.
Okay.
And then we plan to return these to Furnace Hills, and that's a wrap, so that the individuals can continue using them.
And let's see how many companies reach out to purchase this and mass produce it. You can say you saw it here first.
Carissa, this is amazing, and these are just 2 of some of the incredible students that you have, and Sadna mentioned it. So this week, Wednesday, right?
Yes. So we have 5 finalists from across the nation coming to Washington D.C. They will be presenting to a panel of judges, and then they will be ranked on their performances, and they all are ranked on the impact they've made in the workplace. And that makes our engineering competition a little different. We don't necessarily base on technological sophistication, but really and truly the impact to the lives of people with disabilities at work.
That's amazing. Where can we find more about Source America?
You can follow us Source America US on Twitter, or Source America Design Challenge on our website, sourceamerica.com/design challenge.
You all are just truly amazing. Our future. I'm so
That's it,
inspired
right
today
here.
with all
I
these
know.
incredible kids. Best of luck to all of you. Keep it up, and we'll be back with more right after this.